This conference will now be recorded.
So welcome back again to my free session of Oracle 19C Old Architecture DBA. So today is 11th session, and today I will discuss about memory management. So as we know that memory management has evolved with each database release. So beginning with Oracle 9i dynamic SGA infrastructure allowed for the sizing of the buffer cache, shared pool, large pool, without having to shut down the database. Okay, so you can change DB underscore cache underscore size parameter by dynamic SGA. Okay, and in Oracle 10G, Oracle introduced ASMM. What is the meaning of ASMM? That is automatic shared memory management, where it will manage all the SGA components. Okay, and how to set your SGA. So there is a parameter which is called as SGA underscore target. If SGA underscore target equals to some value, so it means you have automatic shared memory management in your database. Okay, so let me connect to my database as a sysdba. Now it is not started, so I'm starting my database. So it is started. So first parameter you will check, show parameter SGA underscore target. Okay, so if this parameter is showing some value, so it means you had automatic shared memory management in your database. Okay, and after that in 11G Oracle introduced another memory management, that is automatic memory management, AMM. So for that it will manage SGA plus PGA. Okay, so for that you need to check one parameter, that is memory underscore target. Okay, so here memory underscore target is showing 0, so it means automatic memory management is not enabled in my database. Correct. So the memory structure that must be managed are the SGA and the PGA. So Oracle support various memory management methods, which you can choose by setting the initialization parameters. So like I said, and I displayed on your screen, that is SZA underscore target, memory underscore target. So we can manage our memory by two ways. One is automatic memory management, and second is manual memory management. So in automatic memory management, Oracle database can manage the SGA memory and the instance PGA memory completely automatically. So you can design only the total memory size to be used by the instance, and Oracle dynamically exchange memory between the SGA and the instance PGA as needed to meet processing demands. Okay, so this capability is referred to as automatic memory management. With this memory method, you can on database also dynamically tune the size of individual SGA components and the size of the individual PGA. So Oracle recommends automatic memory management for the database where the total size of SGA and PGA memory is less than or equal to 4 GB. Okay, and manual memory management basically is an hectic task where you have to set explicitly all the memory components in your database, and after that, if suppose any memory component is lacking, you need to increase the value of that memory component. So that's why Oracle recommend that use automatic memory management. Got guys? So if I say this parameter, show parameter, I'm saying target. So see that how many parameter is there. So these two parameter is related to automatic memory management, and SGA target is related to automatic shared memory management, and PGA aggregate target equals to the value it will manage PGA. Okay, so this is the way you can check how many targets you have in your database. Okay, so dynamic SGA means what, guys? Anyone can tell me? See, in Oracle 8i, DBA do not have any control over the SGA size once the instance is started. Okay, so if suppose DBA want to change any SGA component, DBA need to shut down. But from 9i, Oracle 9i allows a DBA to modify the SGA size dynamically. So this provides an SGA that will grow and shrink in response to a DBA command. So this feature implements an infrastructure to allow the Oracle server to change the SGA configuration without shutting down the instance. So that is good for production databases. Okay, so Oracle server can modify physical address space used to respond to the operating system use of physical memory. So like as I said, from 9i dynamic SGA infrastructure will allow to change the size of buffer cache, to change the size of shared pool, to change the size of a large pool without shutting down the instance. And if you remember, we discussed about the granule. So granule is basically a unit of contiguous virtual memory allocation. So whenever memory is needed, it will allocate in the multiple of granule, and the granule size is depend on the total SGA size basically, and whose calculation is based on the value of the parameter, that is you can say SGA underscore max underscore size. Okay, so this is the another parameter excuse me, which we use in automatic shared memory management. Okay, so what is the meaning of this parameter? Suppose my SGA target is 1 GB. So can I increase my SGA target to 3 GB? Guys, answer me please. See that what error is showing? SGA target cannot be greater than SGA underscore max underscore size. Okay, so SGA underscore max underscore size is the maximum limit of your SGA component, and SGA target you can say the minimum limit of your memory components of the SGA. So SGA manage how many memory components in our database, guys? When we enable so ASMM, So how many components it will manage automatically? Guys, please answer. We discussed already. Guys, if you will not respond, then it is not good for online training. Okay, at least anyone can respond. So SGA component, when you enable ASMM, so it will manage database buffer cache, or we can say first shared pool, then database buffer cache, then large pool, then Java pool, then stream pool. Okay. Other component like redo log buffer, non-standard memory buffer cache. Okay. Non-standard buffer cache, you can say, it will not manage, and keep cache will not manage, and recycle cache will not manage. So please note it if you don't know this. Okay, so these two parameter is clear, or any doubt what is SGA target, what is SGA max size? Guys, at least you can respond. And Rajiv is there. uh, okay, he's not there. Okay, thanks, Vijit. So to monitor actually these components, we have many dynamic views we will see later. So whenever you start the instance, so how many granules will allocate, guys? When you start the instance, so a minimum how many granules is allocated to the SGA, guys? Have you heard this question? See, when you start, so minimum SGA has three granules. Okay, please remember. One granule for fixed SGA, we discuss architecture if you remember. One granule for buffer cache, okay, database buffer cache, and one granule for shared pool. So please remember. So we can alter the granule allocated to component by using alter system command. So when you set alter system and parameter of the memory component, so you are changing actually the granules. So if suppose I say show SDA, so see that one granule is for fixed, and one granule is for database buffer cache, and also you are getting variable size and redo buffers, right? Now there is a view where we can check every components, or that is v dollar parameter. So if suppose I am describing v dollar parameter, so better to copy that actually. So whenever you know the views, you just describe that and take the column name for your query if your query is not written properly. So here I am selecting name, select name, comma value, okay, from v dollar parameter, and then we will use where clause. So where name in bracket, in basically we passed many values actually. So SGA underscore max underscore size, so this is the one parameter, and then we can choose SGA underscore target, and then we had a shared underscore pool underscore size. Okay, so you should remember the each component initialization parameter also. Okay, so next is db underscore cache underscore size. Okay, and then we had large pool, so large underscore pool underscore size. Okay, then we have java underscore pool underscore size. Okay, java underscore pool underscore size. Okay, so like this you can take it and close it and semicolon. Quoted string does not properly. Oh, large pool I miss. Just hold on. Yeah. So see that SGA max size is this. Shared pool is not set. Large pool is not set. Java pool is not set. DB cache is not set. SGA target is set. So this is the way you can monitor the query actually. Okay, clear guys? Let me copy and post you to guys. So this is the way you can monitor, and also you can see how many parameters we have for a shared pool. So you just type show parameter shared underscore pool. So see that we had a share underscore pool underscore size and shared underscore pool underscore reserved underscore sizes. Okay, so if we set shared underscore pool underscore size, so we will get the error if suppose it is exceeding the limit of SGA max size. Okay, so whenever you are setting any memory components, you need to set under your SGA max size. Okay, show parameter SGA underscore max underscore size. So this is the thing, and how we change it. We did it in parameter section. How to change SGA max size? How to change SGA target? Okay, clear, guys? Any questions so far? So the whole SGA size, as I said, is limited by SGA underscore max underscore size parameter, and each SGA parameter is allocated in terms of granule, that is the allocation unit, and the granule size will depend on SGA underscore max underscore size. Okay, so let me describe V dollar SGA. Okay, select star from V dollar SGA. So if you say show SGA, so same things you will get from this tool command, and if you are executing the query, so same thing you will get from V dollar SGA components. Okay, so in version 9i 9.1 shared pool and default buffer cache we can change, and 9.2 shared pool default buffer cache and large pool we can change, and from 10G when ASMM introduced, then we can change dynamically shared pool, large pool, Java pool, and stream pool. So they are called auto-tuned parameters. So please remember that. Okay. And as I said, ASM is driven by one parameter, that is SGA underscore target. So when you set it is 0, the ASMM is disabled. Okay. So if suppose I want to disable this, alter system set SGA underscore target equals to 0. So this command will work or it will give an error, guys. Okay, thanks Vishwajit. See, now check that. Show parameter SGA underscore target is 0. Clear? Now check the previous query. So see that DBA cache size is set, large pool is set, shared pool is set. Got my point? Java pool is not set because we are not using anything related to Java components. Clear, guys? Thanks, Vishwajit. You are good participant in my training workshop. At least you respond. Okay, so any doubt? So whenever you want to enable ASMM, that is automatic shared memory management, so it requires two conditions should be fulfilled, then you can enable the ASMM. So what are those two conditions, guys? Anyone can answer who is working as a DBA? See, I'm not checking your knowledge, but actually, I want to make this online session interactive. That's why I'm asking question and I'm asking answer. Okay, so, sorry, I'm replying the answer. And someone says, I think Rajesh said that he is not bound, he is not permission to ask the question. I never said that. Okay. So whatever topic I am covering, ask the question from that topic actually. So I can answer. If you are asking your query, that will be disturb the session actually. Okay. Yeah, guys, tell me what are the two condition is required to enable ASMM, guys? No one. Okay, Raji was complaining actually, not Rajesh. Yeah, guys, no idea. So the first condition is I'm showing show parameter statistics. Remember, statistics underscore levels. So if this parameter is typical or all, okay, then this condition is required and your SGA underscore target should be greater than 0. Okay, so these are the two condition is required to enable the ASMM. Here, one condition is meeting the ASMM, but another condition which is SGA underscore target is 0. So it means ASMM is not enabled. So let enable the ASMM again. Alter system set SGA underscore target equals to suppose 500M. Okay, so this command will work. Yes, it works. Okay, why it is not working, guys? Because my previous value when I disabled that, it was 1 GB. So when I set, it takes the 1 GB value actually. Got it? Clear? So let me check the query again. So see that now when you enable, and whatever the DBA cache size or large pool size or shared pool size was set, it will not flush. So it will, the minimum value will remain for your database. Okay, so now I am shutting down the database, and then you can check this query again. So we will see the difference. Now startup. Now check the query. See that it's not gone actually, because when we disable, it takes the value, and when we enable as a target, so it will not flush the minimum value which it was set actually. So please remember that. If you are suppose in your database, you know that my database buffer cache required certain memory, so explicitly you can set in your SGA whether you had enabled ASMM or whether you had not enabled. So when it is enabled, but it will not take the value which you set explicitly for database buffer cache, for shared pool, etc. Clear, guys? And also one thing, when you check 10G release 1, stream pool was not added in auto tune parameter, but in 10.2, or you can say 10G release 2, stream pool has also come into the auto tune component, or you can say in SGA target components. Okay, so please remember this information. And how you can check about the sizes of your database. So you can say show parameter size. So when you say size, so see that these are the parameter which is related to size. Suppose you don't remember the parameter, so see that these are my non-standard buffer cache. Okay, and which are not set actually. And my DB block size is 8192, DB cache size is 548M, and where is large pool size is 16M. Okay, and what else? SDA max size is 2 GB. Shared pool size is taken 316M automatically according to the load when we disable, and stream pool size is not set. Got it? Clear, guys? Show parameter SDA. So see that for SDA related, we had all the parameters. Okay. So now auto tune parameters are DB cache size, large pool size, Java pool size, and stream pool sizes. Okay. Now there is a view that is describe v dollar SDA underscore dynamic underscore components. So this is the view. So here I am making a query. I don't know. Select component, right? Then comma, current sizes, then minimum size, then user specified size. Okay, suppose you DBA is specifying, and then from v dollar sga underscore this. So see that it is showing this way. Okay, so this is the query you can check, and also see that your granule size is here. So how much granule size right now for my database? We did that actually, but those who are new, for them I'm telling that. So granule size from v dollar sga underscore dynamic components. So see that my granule size is 4 MB. Okay, clear? So whenever memory is allocated, it will allocate in the multiples of 4 MB. Clear? Now there is a view. Select star from v dollar sga underscore dynamic underscore free underscore memory. So see that current size is showing this 10695475520. Okay, so it is how much? Approximate 1 GB, right? Clear? Any questions? Guys, till now it's clear. Now another query, describe v dollar sga info. So select name comma bytes from v dollar sga info. So see that here also you will get your fixed size, your redo buffer, your buffer cache size, your shared pool size, your large pool, your Java pool, your stream pool, your granule size, your minimum SGA size, your startup overhead, your free SGA memory is available. So almost 1 GB is available. Okay, clear guys? And there is the query which actually helpful for you when you are resizing the operation. So there is a view which is called as SGA resize ops. Okay, so you can check how what resize happen in your database. So SGA underscore RESIZE resize ops. Okay, so this is the view you can check for your uh, resizing operations in your database. Okay, if suppose you are not setting SZA target, SZA max size, and you are setting only SZA target, so what value will be taken in SZA max size, guys? Almost require one revision. Yeah, buddy. If you are not regularly studying, you will forget the things because on your project or your job, you will not do every activity, right? Your activity depends on your product project actually. Okay. Yeah, guys. My question: if I'm not setting SGA max size, so what will be the value of my SGA max size if I set only SGA target? Got my question? Hello, only Viswajit is present. Nobody is replying. Karan is replying. Okay. Oh, let me show you. Show parameter SGA underscore target, right? So this is 1 GB. Show parameter SGA underscore max underscore size. So which parameter is dynamic, which parameter is static? At least please answer this question because we had covered in parameter chapter, guys. SG target is dynamic, max one is static, perfect. So alter system set SGA 0. So this command will work or it will give an error, guys. Yes, perfect, Vishwajit, because I'm not using scope actually. So if I'm not using scope, so it means the value should be changed in current running instance as well as it should be changed in SP file. But because this parameter is static, so this value will not change in running instance. So that's why it is giving an error. If I say this scope is equal to SP file, now it will work or it will give an error, guys. Uh, Vishwajit, it will work or give an error. Yes. So see that it worked. But if I check, so it now changed. So it means it requires bounce the database, right? See, guys, yeah, scope is equal to both will give an error because memory comes in the picture. So scope is equal to both. We actually no need to give that actually. It is understood. Both means memory and is SP file. Okay. So generally we didn't use scope is equal to both. Now a startup. So see that why this happened? Because my SGA max size SGA target was 1 GB and my SZA max size I make it 0. So in my SP file SZA target was 1 GB. So SZA target should not be greater than the SZA max size. So that's why this error comes. Clear, guys? So always remember that if you are reducing SZA max size, so you need to set the value SZA max SZA target first lower than SZA max size. Then you can do shut immediate and start up. So what I can do now right now? So what is the solution to start up the database, guys? What I can do? If suppose this situation comes, so what you can do? Mm-hmm. Create sp file from p file. Create it. Now start up. Clear, guys? Ilyas, clear? So when you comes in this situation, you need to check that actually. So see that it was 2 GB and SZA target was 1 GB. Now here I will first reduce the value of SZA target equals to suppose 0. Oh, alter system set actually. Then alter system set SZA underscore max underscore size equals to 0. Scope is equal to sp file. Now shut immediate. Now startup. You can create sp file from fee file without opening the instance, so that is the benefit. Okay, so that's why I have created actually. So see that show parameter as the target is 0 and show parameter as the max size is 896M. Okay, so minimum it is required actually. Why it is coming? Because my database buffer cache, my shared pool, and that is set actually large pool. So that's why total value comes in SZA max size. So that's why it is not is 0 actually. Clear, guys? So suppose when you start fresh database and your DB cache, shared pool, and large pool is not set, and if you are setting SZA target some value and SZA max you are not setting, so automatically what the SZA target value has, it will goes to SZA max size as well as. Okay, and you cannot increase as the target is greater than or equal to as the max size. Okay, so please remember that. Any questions so far? Whatever I have covered till now, practically. Yes, guys. Any questions so far? So you can increase or reduce the SGA target up to SGA max size. If you are increasing more than SGA max size, you will give an error. Okay, so always remember that. And yeah, let me show you one query about granules. Select component, comma granule underscore size divided by 1024. Okay, so this is suppose my granule size in MB. So GRANULSIZE from V dollar SGA underscore dynamic underscore components. So see that everyone is showing 4 MB, 4 MB, 4 MB. So whenever you are setting the value, it will allocate first 4 MB, then next 4 MB, then next 4 MB. So like that, it will do that. Okay, clear? So if you remember my parameter file session, I set 495, but it was giving 496, right? Remember? Alter system set SGA underscore target equals to 495M. Okay. Oh, spelling mistake. Target equals to 495M. So parameter is set. So what it will be given, guys? You will get 495 or you will get 496, guys. Two people left. Okay, that's why free session has no value. People wants free session, but if someone is giving, people will not take it seriously. 496. Thanks, Karan. See that. Why it is taking 896? Because ZA max size was 896, so that's why it will take SGA target 896M. Clear, guys? See this? Now concept clear? We will not set 4 MB actually, because your granule size will depend on your SGA size. So if your SGA size is less than or equal to 1 GB, so granule size will be 4 MB. Like that, there is a table actually. Okay, So you will see in my session actually, that session is not uploaded. So when it will upload, you will see the values actually. It is predefined by Oracle actually. Okay, clear? 4 MB, 8 MB, 16 MB, like that it will grow according to your SGA size. Okay, this thing is clear, Karan? uh, Describe v dollar SGA underscore resize underscore ops. So component, select component and OPER type. OPER type will show you grow and shrink value. Then OPER mode will show you how you change the value, manual or what. And then initial size. So divided by, you can say, uh, 1024. Okay, so that will come. So you can give some name, initial, so your formula will not come. I hope you know this. And then target size. So target size also I want in MB. So 1024. Okay, and we say target. And then final size, we can also calculate in MB. 1024, and then we say final actually. Okay, then status from v dollar SGA resize operations. Okay, missing double quote. Oh, I miss in final. So see that. This is the query. Actually, we didn't shrink, we didn't actually grow, so that's why it is not showing actually. So here it is showing grow, it is showing shrink for default buffer cache, and other is static, and default buffer cache is showing initializing. Okay, clear? So you can increase or decrease explicitly the components, like SEA pool size, sorry, shared pool size, data buffer cache size. So by that you can change it actually. Okay, so you have the option also. Okay, clear? And as I said, if we set SGA target 0, and if you shut down the instance, so the current size will record for all the values of the parameter. Okay, so that's why when we start, it comes in the respective parameters. Okay, clear? So for every parameter you knows, right? I'm not going to that. So we had support various memory management method. So we have 5 method actually. Automatic memory management for both the SGA and PGA. automatic memory management for the SGA, manual shared memory management for the SGA, automatic PGA memory management for the PGA, manual PGA memory management for the PGA. So we just cover actually the automatic shared memory management for the SGA. Excuse me. Clear, guys? So this chapter is very important actually. So I'm not in a hurry to complete in one session. So at least one more session I will try to finish these things. So in next session we will see. And yes, that's it for today's session. And please, guys, to support me, actually, you can watch my YouTube channel every session videos, and you can like or dislike, you can comment, and you can press the subscribe and bell button so that whenever I'm uploading the new video, you will get the notification. So at least this everyone can do that. If you are not okay with doing this, so no problem, thank you very much. Okay, so that's it for today's session. Hope we will see next session on Wednesday 9 a.m. and also today same timing, same 10 p.m. Yeah, we will cover same session again because of the DBA shifts. I had given the facility for two sessions. If you have morning shift, you can join evening. If you have night shift, you can join morning. If suppose you miss both the sessions, you have the option of Google Drive where you can watch my pre-recorded session. But actually this is the free session, so that's why I'm uploading on my YouTube channel. So free session you can watch from YouTube channel. Paid session I will only upload on Google Drive where you have the facility to watch only, not download purpose. Current Singh is saying how it come 896, that I did not get because SGA max size is 896. That's why it comes 896. That is the mechanism in Oracle actually that I want to show. If you set SGA target some value and SGA max size is 0, then automatically your SGA target value will be goes to SGA max size, right? So same way vice versa it happens. Clear? So I'm stopping the recording.